Hey guys, Kapper here and welcome back. This is going to be a little bit different video, just strictly a fun video. Obviously we bought the Bobcat, but I have nothing against the cat machines. It was a great machine. Anyways, I thought I'd try something different. This is going to be a highlight reel of a couple power grading projects with both of the machines. It should be high speed, low drag, and fun to watch. So we'll just break up our videos a little bit, and don't forget, hit the like button and share our stuff. That's enough babble now. Let's get into some machine work. Have a little bit of fun. Thanks. It's really not that bad in here. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome to today's skid steer trial. Using the power rake, aka Harley rake.